Hello monster friend, how are you? In the previous pill, I taught you how to get the rest of the division of any account. Now therefore, I want to teach you how to take the integer part of the same division account. Example 9. The widow of another millionaire wanted to divide the inheritance of 20 million of her deceased among the 3 children in equal and whole parts and keep the rest for herself. How much did each child get? Are they accepting resumes for millionaire's widow? For this, Python provides the double slash here. See, I won't do the division account twice, but I will just take the entire part of the division account. Check the rationale. 20 divided by 3 is equals 6, with remainder 2. In the previous pill, Python took the 2, which was the remainder of the division. This time, Python took the 6, which is the integer part of the division. See that there are 3 possibilities for division: single slash, percent sign, and double slash, each with a different function in Python, taught in each of the last pills. Okay? Well, that's it for now. I will see you on the next pill. Bye bye!